Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls are doing? Hope you're doing great. Hey, I'm sorry if my sound is kind of weird these last two videos. I'm trying to kind of fix the sound and the volumes and everything, but yeah, I changed kind of back to what I had before because I noticed it was a little low. But anyway, yeah, let's just keep going. So please check out the description box as always. Drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. Also follow us on Discord or Twitter, all that stuff if you want to do that. Otherwise, on a side note, I actually found the thing that was wrong with this, the get menu bar, is that I'm using C out and not SS, which I created, so it was a dumb by me. Not good, but it happens, you know. Yeah, it does happen. So there you go. I also did fix it now, so that should be fine. If we're going to game here, let's just see how that looks before anything. So boom. Alright, so main menu, I got this and I got that divider there, which I do not want, by the way. Pretty sure I don't want it. But also what I do want in the GUI functions.cpp, I want this title to be one step down. So I want to have it like this, and I wanted to have a new line in the beginning. So a new line, the title itself, and then two new lines. Maybe just make sure it's flared up a little bit, just so we get some nice stuff out of this. There we go. All right, that's cool. Maybe a few more of these. I don't know what you like. I don't like a lot of detail, but you know, why not? Well, let's just try that. And this will be a minor title, maybe two of these. Just to make sure we have a difference. There we go. And then the divider and all that, whatever, it's cool. It's just details that you can play around with. Sadly, I do have to play around with these on video because yeah, otherwise we'll be on different pages, so I need to do everything, even if it's tedious. Let me just do that. There we go. Am I recording? Yes. Cool. So now that should look fine. We'll just leave that. That is fine. The enemy was the other problem. Get string as event right here. So what I do want to do, I just want to divide this. I just want to add this little thingamajiggy right in front of all of these. Just make sure. Looks cool. Hey, that did look kind of cool though. I don't know if I want to kind of add that to these. Maybe that would look pretty nice. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Maybe. Details. Doesn't really matter. Details. Let's just look at that, and then we'll add something different, something new for once. Yeah, that looks cool. I don't know. You can choose whatever you want to have there. And then I'm having two new lines after that. Let's just remove one of those. Okay, then we'll just call it done. We'll just call that done. That's cool. Okay, the new thing I want to add is I want to go into character. I actually want to add some kind of a way to heal up instead of resting. Okay, I just want to have some kind of thing where, like an Estus flask from Dark Souls, right? Where you just have these flasks, and at random intervals at some points you find a shard, and when you have like 10 shards you can create a new flask. And this means that you keep you can keep fighting longer, you can keep doing stuff longer. So kind of a Estus flask type thing. And I'm gonna put that here. So I'm gonna have flask, okay, int flask shards max. Flask shards max. We'll just call it max. It's not the best naming of stuff, but we'll call it that. Doesn't really matter for now. I'm gonna go up in here. Isn't it fun doing something new for once instead of just playing around with all the text and shit? That's kind of cool. Flask 1. Let's call it flasks. Shards, flasks. Okay, fine. We'll just call it flasks. That's cool. This flask shards equals 0. This flask shards max equals, we'll say you need 10 flask shards to gain a nice little flask, right? So you have a little flask here. We're gonna go ahead and see how I actually created this. So this is a character you create. And what is this? Gold 100. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna need to do this here as well. Down there. Different constructors, right? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to put these down in each of these. There's some kind of weird shit there. There you go. Okay. Okay, those were the two constructors, so it's pretty much okay. Flasks, flask shards. Okay, fine. Initialize here as well. Why do I have that? I'm not sure, but we'll set it to that. Very strange. Very strange. Why do you guys listen to me? I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But that's okay. That's okay. Let's just go ahead and do this. Do that just to make sure we see what the hell everything is. Okay, stat points. I think I'm gonna have the flask shards up here. I think. So cout. Remove insert flasks. And then this flasks. And a new line. Alright, just as we always do. And then we're going to do the whole flask shards thing. Flask shards. Flask shards. Flask shards. Is that one more flask shards? Flask shards? Flask shards? I'm not sure. Flask shards. This flask shards max. Okay, so now we got a little nice printout. I'm just gonna copy that because we're probably gonna need to put it in somewhere else. Get as string. Get as a string. Distance traveled, name plus blah 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 blah. Ooh. We're gonna have to do the save thing. How does the save file look? I'm not 100% sure if I remember how we did those. Characters. Open. Ooh, this looks great. This is great. Yeah. That's great. That's great. That's real nice. Okay. Get as string. Inventory. Get as string save. Okay, so this is how I get the strings. I get all the weapons and everything, and then level up, and then I guess when we save the game, let me just look at that because this is gonna take a little bit of time. Save character. Alright, I do the index. Oh no, this is select save. Okay, I do get as string and then get inventory as string. Get string, get inventory as string. Okay, so get strings. String get in as string save. Is that the one? Get inventory as string save, get as string. Character. Get inventory as string save. This is the one I use. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Alright. And I do use this. So distance travel, gold, level, EXP, strength. So pretty much right here, I'm gonna do the magic shit. Flasks. Ooh, wait, this is gonna be crazy. Flask shards. Okay, so flasks and flask shards, pretty good. And then max should be fine. Get inventory string, doesn't really matter. Update stats. Remove item, get item. Let me see, is there some type of a load? Okay. I guess I do the load here. Save character. Well, that's fine, I think. And then load character. Okay, pretty much exp int flask equals 0. Int shards equals 0. Okay, we'll have those two. And then ss name level exp str flasks str flask shards flask shards gold level exp. I'm just gonna add flasks here, flasks and flask shards before strength. Okay, so when we go into character.h and we're gonna find that beautiful thing here, int flasks int flask shards, just so we fix that this constructor, int flasks int flask shards. Good. All right, so flasks, don't forget this, don't forget to actually flask shards. Okay, so that's the two we need to save. We don't need to save this, and that should be fine. Now let me just open this. Whoops, that's not what I want to open. I want to open this and I want to see, okay, so what was it? How did we save get as string? All right, so first thing it did was save the name, obviously name, distance traveled, gold, level, exp. Okay, then comes flasks and flask shards. Okay, all right, so we got those two set. At least we have it going somewhat. Let me see how much time we got. Okay, pretty much. Let's just see if this loads. Okay, character loaded. Character sheet. Flasks 1, flash shards 0 out of 10. No issues there. Okay, no issues there. And then we're just gonna go back and held yes. Pretty good. Go back. Okay, pretty good. I just want to do one more thing before we end this video. Is I want to actually add it to the get where is it? Get menu bar. So I actually want to have that here. I want to have that flasks thing. Flasks, and this flasks, and then I want to do one of these, and then I want to do this flask shards. All right, and a thingy majiggy, and then this flask shards max, and then a end parentheses. Boom. So we can see kind of how many flasks we have and all that shit. Also, I'm gonna remove this because I think it looks better. Now let's just run this one last time, see if that worked. And pretty much it should look good. Okay, so I got one flask, 0 to 10 shards. If I kill an enemy, I might get a shard, or I might not. All that stuff, so that's cool. Here I want to add a exp bar instead of this number. So yeah, pretty much we'll just play around with this, make it look cool. That kind of looks pretty nice though, I gotta say. Let's just travel. Choice 1, player turn. See if all this works. Ooh la la, some heavy hitters right here. Kill that dude. Missed. Okay, cool, whatever. Combat seems to be working. We're good. Escape. Alright, looks pretty fresh, right? Hell yeah. So next video, we're probably gonna keep working on this stuff. Make flasks work so we can heal up. And then, yeah, keep working. I was thinking of adding dungeons and stuff, randomly generated dungeons. I know it's a text RPG, but why not? Let's just add a bunch of shit. Maybe you'll find it useful. Maybe you'll find it fun. And we'll finish off this project with bosses and dungeons and some more stuff. So it will be like a finished game, basically, right? And you can add attributes and stuff like that as well. So we'll just keep working on it as long as we want. But thank you so much for those of you who stick with me and just give me all the support. Really appreciate it. And it really helps me out. So keep doing that if you like the content. All right, just drop a like, subscribe, and check out the description box, as I said. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. All right, bye bye.